Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going somewhere really exciting this evening. I don't know if you can tell, I feel like this is like my last video when I went to see Miss Ariana Grande. Before, when I went, it was really good, but we could not see her. I feel like I was just kind of like, I don't know, just listening to her music with a lot of people, if that makes sense. I saw her a couple of times, but it was very far away and it was very faint, and it was like, oh, there she is. Oh no, she's gone. So before I was actually general admission, which was the furthest back standing, and I'm gold circle, which is the like middle one. There is pit, but that's like small, and then there's gold circle, which is like probably the biggest area. But I thought whilst I was getting ready, I might as well test a new palette, because I want to do a video on this, and I went out especially to buy it. So the palette that I'm talking about is the Makeup Obsession Rady palette. Rady is an influencer. Her username is Get Ready with Rady, but like GRW Rady. Yeah, I've seen her around a lot over the past few years. She's so talented, and she's come out with two palettes and a highlighting palette, I believe, but I just got this one because this is the like more colourful one. If I remember, I'll try and put the other pictures on the screen if you want to see those. But this is the outside packaging. It was only £10, so that's really good price. This is the outside packaging, and then this is what it looks like inside. Look at those shades, they're so pretty. So yeah, I'm going to create something with this today. There seems to be 5 pressed pigments. I've never actually tried Makeup Obsession eyeshadows, I don't think. But I also like that you can take them out. So if you liked a certain few shades, you could take them out and put them in a little palette to travel with or whatever. But yeah, these shades look really pretty. I'm not sure what look I want to do because I kind of want to do something not too crazy. But these colours are crazy, so maybe I will. Maybe I'll do something Halloween-y because there's like purple, orange, green. Yeah, maybe I'll do something like that. It won't probably be like my other videos where I use like every single shade in the palette, just because I'm going somewhere and I can wear like colourful stuff out, but I feel like I should kind of keep it less than the rainbow because I always do so many different colours. It's just like, whoa. I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the shade 02. I'm going to start off with the purple, which looks a little bit shimmery. It's the shade Dreamcatcher. I'm going to put this on my outer corner. Oh, that's pigmented. And now I think I'm going to go in with this orange, which is Storyteller, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my crease area, so like here, and connect it in with the purple. Quite a neon shade this, it's quite nice. It's kind of like a corally orange. Now I think to blend out that purple, I'm going to take the shade Lily, which is like a purpley pinky shade. And I'm just going to pack and blend. I'm going to bring the orange up a little bit higher because I do just want it to be orange there, really, so. And just a little bit of Bumblebee. I might take a little bit of the shade Vermilion, I don't know, and just put that underneath just to see if I can deepen it up a little bit. I don't know if it'll do much because I've already put on the orange shade. Okay, so those are blending really nicely. There's no patchiness. They're pigmented. They're not as like deep as they could be, but they are quite light shadows. I'm now going to cut my crease. Just do a half cut as always, basically. So I've just roughly cut my crease, and now I'm going to go in with, I think, bright green Q. Q? Q. And I'm going to pack that on the outer part of the crease. It's not sticking very well. I know lime greens are hard. To be honest, I've not found a really good lime green. So now I think I'm going to go in with the silver because I swatched it just now and oh my god, it's beautiful. So I'm going to pack that on the rest of my... That was like the tiniest amount. Oh my god. I don't really use silver, to be honest. If I use a shimmer, it's more goldy or like a colour. Oh my god, this is like amazing. Like what the heck? It's completely opaque. I love that. Okay, this looks a bit weird now with the silver going into the green. Doesn't really work. Just to try and transition those shades together, I'm going to use a little bit of the shade Pixie, which is like a shimmery greeny shade. It's not that shimmery though, so we'll see if it'll work. I might have to spray my brush. The green is just kind of picking back up again. I don't know if you can see that. It's just not sticking. I've kind of just basically covered over that lime green with this Pixie shade. And I've sprayed my brush with it as well. With some Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna go do my base and stuff and then do my lower lash line to show you, and then I'll tell you my opinions and stuff. So see you in a second. Okay, so now for my lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna take the purples, or maybe I'll take some of the orange too. Maybe I'll do what I did on the upper lid. Speak Alice. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the first purple. And then I'm actually gonna take some of Vermilion, and I'm gonna put that next. They're not sticking too well because my under eyes are very set, but that's fine. This is always what happens, but they are still showing up, you know. Now I think I'm going to put a teeny tiny bit of NYX glitter primer on my inner corner. And then just apply that lime green shade on the top. See if this works. Okay, that has worked better, but I'm not sure if I like it. Okay, so I've got to rush as I've got to go now, otherwise I'm going to be late. But this is the finished look. I'm actually really liking it. I think it's quite like a pastel Halloween look, if that makes sense. I did film the rest of my makeup, so that might be on my Instagram. It depends if I like the video or not. I really suggest this palette. I think it's really pretty. And for £10, you get 16 shades, which is way less than £1 per shade, which is just a really good price. I really like it. I think it blends really nicely. The pigment's quite nice. They aren't as like deep as they could be, but they are quite light colours. The shimmer, oh my god, that silver shimmer, I think there's only that one that's the most intense. Maybe this one is a similar sort of formula, but so gorgeous. And yeah, I definitely want to use the other shades in this palette. Yeah, go support Rady. I'm so proud of her. She's done so well and I really like this palette. And yeah, so if you want this palette and to support Rady, then go do it because she deserves it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I do obviously lots of different makeup looks and I'm doing some Halloween stuff at the moment. Not much, but yeah. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.